How to make your Threads account public. So welcome back to another simple tutorial, everyone. If you have a private Threads account but want to switch to a public one and reach more people and maybe gain more followers, then this video is for you. It's really easy to switch to a public Threads account and it will only take us a couple of clicks. And before we start, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Tutor for more videos like this in the future. The first step is to open your Threads application and then tap here in order to go to your Threads profile. Once you are here, you will see a little lock icon which is at the top left corner of the screen, and that means that our account is private. You want to click on that lock icon and it will open our privacy settings. You can see that we have a private account option at the top which is enabled. So just disable it. And it's going to give us a little pop-up saying anyone on or off Threads can see and interact with your content. So when we switch to a public Threads profile, anyone can see our profile, our posts, our photos and videos that we publish and so on. If you are sure you want to switch to a public profile, simply tap on this OK button and you'll no longer have a private profile but a public one. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next tutorial.